See how garages go from standard to exceptional in this easy installation video. To prep for delivery and installation, you'll need to do a few things. Gather the tools required to get the job done, including a tool that can cut through metal. A full list is included in our printed installation guide. Make sure the site is prepped to receive a shipment of one or more pallets. Now unpack and inventory items against the packing list. Let's get started. Your space should be prepped and ready to go, with everything removed from the walls. First, install the required hangrails. Determine the height of the hangrail and establish a level plane. Find and mark the studs. Align the hangrail to the studs using the pre-drilled holes. You may need to cut the hangrail to fit your layout. Now, pre-drill and insert the zip toggles into the wall cavities. Level and attach rails to the studs using lag bolts. Once position is final, continue securing rails to the zip toggles with the supplied screws. Do not skip any steps. A straight and secure hangrail is the most critical piece to a successful installation. Next, grab your upright partition panels and begin attaching hardware and hanging brackets. Now is a great time to also seat the cam with outrigger hardware into the tops, bottoms, and shelving. Partitions should easily hang, just like a closet system. Be sure both brackets are in contact with the rails. If not, reposition rails. Begin attaching the top and bottom of the cabinets. These can be tightened with a Phillips head screwdriver. Now, move on to your upright decorative panels. When attaching the decorative panels to the partitions, the finished side should face outward. Repeat the process until your cabinets and exterior decorative panels are hung. Then move on to doors and shelving. Locate your cabinet doors and hinges. Lay your cabinet door with the curved side down and seat hinges with a rubber mallet. Then secure. Identify hinge location on partition panels and attach hinge plate. Insert shelving, working around door hinge placement. Attach door by clipping hinge into the plate. And then level the door. Move on to the feet, if applicable. These should be adjusted to the right height and attached using the drill. Identify pre-drilled holes on the back side of the door panels. Finish drilling using a backer to avoid damaging the door's finish. Then, attach the heavy-duty stainless steel pulls. Let's move on to lower cabinet installation, complete with countertops and drawers. Identify lower partition panels and attach hanging hardware. Identify drawer slide locations based on height and number of drawers. Then secure. Hang the cabinet panels, moving from left to right, building the cabinets on the rail. Now, get ready for the countertop. The countertop should be flush with the cabinets and wall. Secure it from the underside of the cabinet. Drawers come fully assembled, but slides do need to be added. Seat the drawers within your cabinet for a quick test before moving on. Now, attach the drawer fronts in heavy-duty stainless steel pulls. Finish off your project with our slat wall organization system. Find your studs and install the support rail. Cut your slat wall to size. It should now snap easily into place. Finish with the matching trim and add any accessories ordered as part of the kit. Wipe everything down with a microfiber cloth. Stand back and take in a job well done. XClad cabinets are now ready to protect everything from tools to toys in style. XClad cabinets, made to protect, built to last. Explore at xcladcabinets.com.